Over 60 years ago, the Orthopedic Center of Palm Beach County began building a reputation of excellence. Lake Worth, Wellington, and Boynton Beach are home to our cutting-edge facilities where patients receive premier orthopedic and podiatric care by the finest physicians and surgeons, all experienced in providing surgical and non-surgical methods to allow for quickest and safest recovery. With over 30 years in the industry, Dr. Marvin Cohn specializes in hand, upper extremity, and microvascular surgeries. Dr. Jeffrey Rosenfield has been practicing in Palm Beach County since 2002 and has extensive experience in the latest advancements in upper extremity surgery. Dr. Michael Cohn is an expert in shoulder replacement surgery, arthroscopic surgery of the wrist and hand, endoscopic tunnel release, and fracture surgery. Dr. Gerard Dariano is one of our spine surgeons and advanced reconstructive spinal surgeons, having completed fellowship at the world-renowned Johns Hopkins Hospital. He is an expert in kyphoplasty, a procedure that restores the shape and configuration of the spine while alleviating pain from spinal compression. As for all reconstructive foot and ankle surgeries, we have the trifecta, beginning with Dr. James Clancy, who is trained in the latest advances in nerve repair by one of the world's most renowned surgeons at Johns Hopkins Hospital. Dr. Clancy receives recognition for being one of the only physicians in Palm Beach County to do total ankle replacement surgery. Then we have Dr. John Levin, with over 30 years of surgical experience, all while utilizing minimally invasive surgeries for even complex disorders of the lower extremity, foot-ankle arthroscopy, and uses regenerative medicine techniques. Dr. Juan Sardina is trained on the latest advances in conservative and reconstructive foot and ankle surgery, traumatic and non-traumatic surgical management of the foot and ankle. He takes a special interest in sports medicine, ankle implants, and more. Dr. Gary Richmond has been practicing in South Florida since 1995 and is a pain medicine physician treating pains in the neck, back, joints, and extremities using interventional pain management techniques. Assisting him in this category is Dr. Sue Cohn. She is our pain medicine and anesthesiologist, focusing on multimodal and interventional management of chronic pain conditions. She takes a special interest in cancer-related pain, as well as spinal and peripheral nerve stimulation. Dr. Gabriel Matei is fellowship trained in interventional pain medicine, as well as board certified in physical medicine and rehabilitation physician. Dr. Matei Gonzalez specializes in the treatment of musculoskeletal disorders, sports-related injuries, and spine conditions. Handling our orthopedic adult hip and knee reconstructive surgeries is Dr. Juan Agudelo. He cares for a plethora of orthopedic conditions. These include hip and knee replacement, anterior hip replacement, and helps relieve osteoarthritis and degenerative joint diseases. Physical medicine and rehabilitation, non-operative orthopedic medicine, EMG, NCV, and acupuncture are all done by Dr. Charles Grobert. He pays keen attention to patients with diseases affecting the musculoskeletal and neurological systems. Dr. David Abbasi is a double board-certified and fellowship-trained orthopedic surgeon specializing in sports medicine and arthroscopic surgery of the shoulder, elbow, and knee. Dr. David Abbasi is a double board-certified and fellowship-trained orthopedic surgeon specializing in sports medicine and arthroscopic surgery of the shoulder, elbow, and knee. He has a special interest and enjoys treating many of the best professional mixed martial artists and combat athletes in South Florida. Dr. Brandon Shallop is a board-certified orthopedic surgeon who is fellowship-trained in sports medicine and arthroscopy. Dr. Shallop has a special interest mainly in performing quadricep tendon autograft ACL reconstruction using an all-side dual suspensory fixation technique. Dr. Ezra Berkowitz completed a year fellowship at Nemours Children's Hospital. He favors conservative treatment versus modern surgical techniques, yet he can do them both. He is focused on operative and non-operative management of all areas of pediatric musculoskeletal care, including sports, spine, developmental, and trauma-related issues in children. Charles Matuzak is our general orthopedic surgeon, helping people with their injuries and diseases of the musculoskeletal system for the past 40 years. He has maintained a private practice in orthopedic surgery since 1978. Physician assistant Joel Foldassi believes that recovery from injury or surgery is a team effort between the patient and provider, and flaunts 9 years of experience in the field. Here at OCPBC, we create an environment of love, support, and dedication for our staff and patients alike. And that is the OCPBC difference.